Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Shotcut. So if you would like to do it, first we need to select the video that you want to rotate. After that we need to go to filters and click on icon with a plus. So I click here. It will let me to add a new filter. So I type here rotate and then I select this one option from the list, size, position and rotate. Now you have two options to rotate this video. First one is increase rotation value. So for example, if you will increase this value, you will see effect something like that. But if you will decrease this value, you will rotate this video to the left side. The second method is really simple too. We need to click and hold this dot, and after that we need to change position of this dot. Then we will rotate this video somewhere here. And how you see this method really works, and rotation value is set to 90. And it's all for today. I encourage you to subscribe my channel and like this tutorial. Remember to check links in description, and thank you for watching.